T-line wall.
T-line wall. It's tuned to 35, ending right here at the B pillar. So
okay. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Could you tell me your name? What's in here?
Name's Adam Bishop. This is Ford JTR speaker Captivator 4000 subwoofers built up as 15s. They're home audio subs, not car audio, surprisingly. Got an MD8K wired at 0.45, Listen 18, 4-out welding cable, and a JS300.
Wow. Is this like a, what kind of enclosure do you call this?
T-line.
T-line, okay. T-line wall.
T-line wall. It's tuned to 35, ending right here at the B pillar. So
okay.
It's got a decently good balance.
What made you invert versus regular here? So
we were trying to keep the line area as open as possible on the exit point. Keeping the subs normal mounted here, inverted here, gives us more open area into the cabin. Effectively, it just creates less turbulence in the port.
Yeah.
Allows us to get louder, less power.
Got it. Nice.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. Very nice. You really built into the vehicle too.
Yeah.
Steel cage I saw on the side. Nice job.
It's got a lot in that mid 30 area.
Yeah.
Go grab the shit out of it.
Have you metered it at all?
Yeah, I've done a 155.61 at 41 hertz.
That's good.
I kept having the amp cut off, so
yeah,
you know, it's got more in it.
Yes, sir. Where's your amp at?
Right here. MD8K.
Oh, okay. So you built all the way back.
Yeah.
Okay, so your enclosures. Got it. Wow. Everybody give a like for Adam. Sundown 2021. Appreciate it.
Wait, for how many?
8 grand for 4.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We got an Adam system he was showcasing at the Sundown Audio Show in North Carolina area. Be sure to give him a like and comment what you think. Really impressed to see him fit these different type of subwoofers in this T-line subwoofer box. I think he said they were home audio subs, but he made them work in a car audio system. That was 8,000 watt amp, and I don't know what size lithium he had, but it was doing pretty good for the amount of power he was ran. And if you notice the way the box is with the layout, that looked like it was a 6th order, but it's actually a T-line the way he has the port. If I would have crawled back there and went underneath, you would see the difference of how a T-line works. So 2 subs in the front being inverted means he had to reverse polarity on those subs to make this work. Very unique style, and you don't really see a lot of systems like this in a vehicle where subs are up in the back and then you have inverted in the front and at an angle chamfer. So pretty impressive, and looking forward to showing you all how this sounds. So this is a total of 8,000 watts on 4 15-inch subwoofers. I'm pretty sure these subs are rated at 4,000 watts. I Googled them, and the GTR speaker Captivator 4000 if you want to check it out. So we're getting to the demo now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell on for daily car audio videos, and enjoy this impressive demo.
out of it.
Have you metered it at all?
Yeah, I done a 155.61 and 41 hertz.
That's good.
I kept having the amp cut off, so
Yeah.
you know it's got more in it.
Yes, sir. Where's your amp at?
Right here. MD8K.
Oh, okay. So you built all the way back.
Yeah.
Okay, so your enclosures. Got it. Wow. Appreciate the demo, man.
I appreciate it, man.
What was your name?
Adam Bishop.
Adam Bishop. Everybody give a like for Adam. Thanks for the demo, man. Sundown 2021. Appreciate it. You have a good day, man.
You too. So I ain't gonna press you on it.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.